All these are fungal growth. Okay, so please close your mic.
Lakhani,
Please
please
put off your
off
mic.
your mic.
Please put off your mic. Thank you. So what is doing? See, this is sporangia. You see this over here? This complete is full of spores. See now it is getting ready to burst. After bursting, this is gone. See, and you can see all. I will show you in another slide how the spores look like. So you can see this. It got burst, and on this you can see only few spores still attached to it. And when the spores come to a substratum, it starts germinating. Can you see this? This spores. It starts germinating.
Yes.
And again, this will form. Can you see this? Again, this is the life cycle. This is what will be formed. This is fungus growth. What is this, beta? Fungus growth. Understood, all of you?
Yes, no.
Now we come to vegetative reproduction. Now, as the name suggests, vegetative, that means parts of the plant body can give rise to a new plant. So what are these plants parts? They are root, stem, and leaf. Please read. Please, better start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Vegetative reproduction. Plants' vegetative parts such as roots, stem, and leaves is used to produce new plant.
So you understood now? So it could be either root, stem, or leaf, which can become new plants. Let's see what are the natural methods. Read better. So natural methods are roots, stems, rhizomes, bulbs, tubers, combs, leaves. In artificial method, we have cutting, grafting, layering, or tissue culture, and we will see everything one by one. So first, we will take up natural method. From roots, can you hear me better?
Yes.
Okay. The roots, the tuberous roots of dahlia, sweet potato, and asparagus. Now, sweet potato is shakaria. I think you know that. We call it in Gujarati shakaria. So that is actually root. Sweet potato is a root. Okay. You can see this here, sweet potato. This is how it looks. So this is what? This is tuber. So these are tuber. This is dahlia. This one is dahlia. And see, the root of dahlia is like this. Okay, and root of asparagus is like this. So these are all tuberous roots. So they store food over here. Now we come to stems. So we take stems for vegetative propagation. There are different types of stems. One is runner. You see this over here? Runner. And the other one is underground stem. Okay. In runners, for example, this is a grass. This is a grass. And then it will have another runner. And then again it will have a grass. Then again runner. Got it? So this is a runner. What it is? Runner. In other words, it is called as stolon. What it is called as? Stolon. This is runner. By which it multiplies, it grows, it propagates vegetatively. Now what is mint? So you get it oxalis and grass. I just told you grass. And mint is pudina. What is mint, Vita? Pudina is mint. Vallisneria is an aquatic plant. What it is? Aquatic plant because it lives in water. Now we come to underground stem. They're called as rhizomes, bulbs, tubers, and corms. Okay? This much have you understood? Hello? Boys, can
Yes.
you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So please read. What is runner?
Okay. Runner. Ox, oxalis and grass.
Yes. Someone's mic is on.
Horizontal.
Is it the admin or the host? Mic is on.
Yes, Microsoft Word.
Whose mic
Horizontal
is on?
streams.
Hmm. Right.
Horizontal streams will produce
Stems.
new roots and nodes and then shoot grow upwards forming new plants at frequent intervals.
Okay. I think host mic is on. Would you please give the message to the host to put off the mic? Just check, beta. If the host mic is on, ask her to put it off. Okay. Now look over here. This is horizontal stems. And we know that usually see, have you seen sugar cane? Yes, sugar cane. See, I'm showing you how does it look like. This is this one line, then you get another line. Yes or no? And then you get the roots coming down. Yes, some scaly leaves coming down. Have you observed that? These are nodes. What are they called as? Nodes. And in between the place it is internode. What it is, beta? Internode. Now I place this stem. This is vertical. Now I place this stem horizontally. This is node and this is internode. Okay? Here are the roots. So roots will come down at nodes. The new roots will come down at nodes. You got it now? And then from here, the shoot will start growing upwards. You got my point? The new plant will start arising from the nodes. So we get a new plant from the nodes. Any problem?
No.
Okay. All of you understood? This is how
Yes.
runners. This is how runners work. Let's see what happens in chrysanthemum and mint. Please read, beta. Hello. Read, please.
Yes.
Start to read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is this?
Chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum
Chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum and
and
mint.
mint.
Horizontal stems arises from the base of the erect shoot come out to form new aerial, aerial shoots and it become independent plants.
Now erect shoot. This is the erect shoot stem. Okay. Then we get from this erect shoot horizontal stem comes out like this. And then if I cut it this much, then this plant becomes a new plant. You got it? This you get in Pudina, mint, and chrysanthemum. Now we come to Vallisneria. Say, please read better.
Okay, ma'am. Velisnera.
Velisneria. Velisneria.
Velisneria. Arched stems which cross over small obstacles develop small plantlets at their nodes.
Fine. Look over here. Now, for example, this is a plant. It's got a stem. The stem is it's branching out. Okay. Now it should go straight, but there's some obstacles. So what it will do? It will go from top like this, right? So it has become arched stem. What it has become? It has made a arched. If there are nodes over here, then they will produce small plantlets over here. And these plantlets later will give rise to a new plant. That happens in Vallisneria. That is aquatic plant. Now we see underground stem. Okay, we finished the runners. Now we come to tubers or the underground stem. First we take it as rhizomes. So you can see over here, this is ginger and this is turmeric. Can you see this? Turmeric. Can you see the lines? Can you see the lines over here, beta? Hello. Can you see these lines? Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
is this? Yeah,
Yeah, this is ginger. This one is ginger. And this is
and
turmeric.
after?
Turmeric.
Okay.
Turmeric is haldi. And ginger is adrak. Right? You know
Yes.
that? So the lines that I've drawn is nodes. What are they? Nodes. Line that I've drawn are all nodes. Because it is stem. Underground stem it is. Do not have nodes. Only stems have got nodes, isn't it? Yes? Okay. Other one is banana. Can you see over here? These are nodes and see these are small babies coming out. See, these are the birds. Can you see this? These are all birds.
What is this?
Banana.
Banana?
Yeah. The bottom of the
What is
banana.
this?
The banana, bottom of the banana I said. It is inside the soil. Okay? What is it? This is banana. This one's banana. Small, this white red spots that you see, these are birds. And the lines that you see, these are all nodes. Okay? This is the underground stem. Now we come to bulb. Bulb, we have onions. Now, this is roots. Can you see this? These are all roots. Right? Hello? What are these? This bulb is made up of leaves. What is made up of? Leaves. Okay, that's why it is called as bulb. So the thing that we are eating is leaves. Onion that we are eating is leaves. Remember that. Okay? So these are called as bulbs.
Ma'am, what is this red?
Which one? This one?
Onions. Yes, onions.
It's onion, beta. It's onion.
मैम उसको ऑनियन बोलते हैं कि अनियन बोलते हैं?
Both are same. Onion. But we say onion. Some people say
Okay.
onions. Doesn't make much of a difference. Okay,
डुंगड़ी.
fine?
डुंगड़ी.
Yes. This much you have understood the rhizomes, bulbs. Now we come to tubers. Now you can see
Ma'am,
eyes. Yes, beta? Potato. So you can see eyes. These are called eyes. These are called eyes. These are called eyes. That something. Show the structure. See here.
मैम
See the
पोटैटो के अंदर
structure?
स्टार्च होता है ना?
Yes. Yes. This structure, you first observe this, what I'm trying to show you. This is
मैम
called as eye.
मैम
And at the base, just a moment, at the base of eye, we get birds. What we get? Birds. Yes, now tell me. Say,
पोटैटो के अंदर स्टार्च होता है?
yes. Yes, it
हेलो
has
मैम.
carbohydrate.
यस.
So, in the eyes, we will have buds, which give rise to a new plant. So, that is potato. So, this is tuber. So, potato is called as tuber. Now, we come to corms. So, you can see over here, lots of corms join like this. They are joined to give so many plants. See? So, it's a cluster of corms which is giving to so many plants. You get in gladiola. This is called as
मैम
gladiola.
वो पर्पल पर्पल क्या है? फ्लावर्स है.
These are flowers, yeah.
यस.
They're all flowers, beautiful flowers. So these are called as
यस.
gladiolus. What it is called as? Gladiolus. Okay? So what we have done? We have done stem. Yes or no? Then we have done
Yes.
underground stem. Then we did tubers. We did corms. Right? Yes, boys? Now we are going to, that is basically the stem part we took. Now we are taking leaves. Okay? So leaves, they develop small buds called adventitious buds on their margin, which grows into new plant when they come in contact with the
यस.
soil. Example is bryophyllum. Now see how does it look like. I think I taught you once. I will draw again. See. These are called notches. What are they called as beta? Notches. At these notches we get this
मैम व्हाट?
notches.
व्हाट इट्स मैम?
Notches,
नोटिस.
Notches, the curvature, the curve, the
यस.
dip. And from
यस.
each notch, we will get a new plant. You see this plant over here? These are leaf buds. And when this leaf will fall and touch the soil, I will have one, two, three, four, five. Five new plants. Got it? So from one leaf, I got so many plants. So this is also a vegetative propagation with the help of leaves. I hope you have understood. Yes? Hello boys. How come you are so quiet today? Yes?
Yes.
Very quiet today. Are you understanding or not?
यस.
Yes.
Now we come to artificial methods. Those are all natural methods. Now we come to artificial methods. We are doing humans interference. Human is doing. Okay? Hello. That is artificial
Yes.
methods. First one is cutting.
Yes.
You cut a piece of, say this piece is cut, and then you put it in the pot. This becomes cutting, and it will become a new plant. This is the cutting, and you can see a small bird over here. You see the small bird?
Yes.
See the small bird? This bird will give rise to a branch. Okay? And now from here, this branch will grow and become a new plant. Okay? Hello? Okay? Now we come to that is cutting. Now we come to grafting. What we will do over here? For example, we want to, you have seen some rose plants. Have you seen rose, different colored
Yes,
roses on one plant?
Yes.
Have you ever wondered why? In one plant we get white colored rose, sometimes pink colored rose, sometimes red colored rose in one plant.
yes,
How come?
I have
Because
seen
of the,
white color rose.
yes. Why? Because of grafting. What they do? They take, this is the parent plant. This is the parent plant, PP, this is the parent plant. And this is the second plant, the grafted plant, GP. So the parent plant is rooted at the soil. The parent plant is rooted at the soil and they will make a slit like this and the grafted plant will be on top, which will have different characters altogether. But it will be rose only. If this one is giving red rose and if this one is giving white rose, half of the branches will have white rose and half of the branches will have red rose. Understood? Because we combined the characters of the roses in one. Understood or not? Understood? Hello?
yes,
So this is called as grafting. And then
yes,
they wrap it like this. Can you see this? They put a tape around that cut portion and after some time it will join on its own. For example, you get a cut on your skin, right? You get a cut on your skin. What you do, you clean it up and later you bandage it. The same bandage is applied and after some time your skin gets healed up, isn't it? So this cut also gets healed up like this. It joins automatically. Any problem?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Cutting, grafting over. Now we come to layering. You see this over here. They have taken one branch and put it in the soil. Yes, put it in the soil. What it got? After some time, this will become a new plant. Yes? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Is some problem with my voice?
No.
No.
Okay. So you get a new plant. Now I will elaborate it more. See over here. Who is this? Now you take a branch, put it in the soil. Yes, but it needs a support. So what we did, we took a support and tied it like this. So it will not come out from the soil. And from here, we will get a new plant. Okay, we will get a new plant from this. This is called as layering. What it is called, beta? Hello?
Clearing.
Layering. The last one is tissue culture. We take any part, it could be stem, it could be leaf, it could be root, a little piece of cells. So we take little piece of tissue from leaf or any part of the body or any part of the plant body and we allow it to grow and what do we get? We get like this. From small cells, number of cells, we get so many plants. Can you see this? From little amount of cells or tissues, we get so many plants. This is called the tissue culture. It's also done in test tube. Okay, we'll not go in detail, but I just want to convey the message that this also could be a part of it. How to develop or how to produce so many plants from a small tissue. So this is what is all about. Asexual reproduction, we are through. Asexual vegetative, now we are going to do sexual reproduction. One of you please start reading.
Sexual reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. Stamen is the male reproductive part, and pistil is the female reproductive part.
Fine. So
Flowers,
what is the, just a moment. So what is the reproductive part of the plant? Flowers, right? What is the reproductive part of the plant, beta? Flowers. Remember,
flowers,
what flower has got? Stamen, which is male. The other one is pistil, which is female. I just draw and show it to you once again. See, this is in the center. This is female. And then we have male. This is male. So this is in the center of the flower, and then you get the petals. So we have stamen as the male and pistil or carpel as the female. Yes, begin.
flowers which have both the stamen and pistil are called bisexual flowers. No, flowers which have only the stamen or only the pistil are called unisexual flowers. Example: maize, papaya, cow,
Cucumber.
etc.
Cucumber is kakri. Cucumber is kakri, right? So maize is makai, papaya, you know that, and cucumber. So in these three plants, we get unisexual flower. Now uni name is one, uni is one, section is sex organs. It could be either male or female. It could be a stamen or it could be only pistil or carpel. So either of it will be in the flower. So that's called as unisexual flower. Yes, next.
Flowers which have both the stamen and pistil are called bisexual flowers.
Bisexual
Example: rose
flowers.
and bisexual flowers. For example, rose, mustard,
Petunia.
petunia,
Petunia.
and
Yes.
etc.
Now we will talk about other flowers which have got both sex. That is stamen as well as pistil. Example, rose, mustard, and petunia is a flowering plant. Beautiful flowers you get. Yes. Now we'll talk about stamen. Start with it.
The stamen has a filament and the anther contains pollen grains which contains the male gametes.
Male gametes. Say
Yes,
male. Yes, don't say yes. Read it again. Male gametes. Say it again.
male gametes.
Yes. Next one.
The pistil has stigma,
Stigma, style,
style, and
and ovary.
ovary. The
Three.
ovary contains ovules, which contains the female
Gamete.
germ or egg.
Gamete.
Gamete or egg.
Correct. Then
In sexual reproduction, the male and female gamete fuse together to form a zygote.
good. Is someone talking at the background, beta? You have to adjust your mic. Lots of disturbance around. Just check. Now see over here. This is filament and this is anther. Can you see this? So this is filament and this is anther. Both become stamen. Is it clear? Boys, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes. So all these black dot-like structures, these are anther. And the tube-like structure which is going down is all filament. Any problem? So filament and
No.
anther becomes stamen. So stamen comprises of filament and anther. Is it clear? Male. Male sex organ, is it clear? Now we do detailing. This one is anther. Yes. And this one is filament. Okay. Now inside the anther, what we have, beta? What can you see? Inside the anther, what you have? Hello.
It's like
Pollen
pollen
grains.
grains.
Pollen grains. Inside the anther, what we have? Pollen grains. And these pollen grains are male sex cell. Do you understand? So you have to remember this. Pollen grains are the male sex cell. Is it clear? Male gamete. In other words, we call it as male gamete. Any problem? Any problem, beta? Yes? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come to pistil, that is female. What is the other name of pistil, beta?
Female.
Nee, what is the other name of pistil? Carpel. What is the other name of pistil, beta? Carpel. Got it?
Purple.
So the top portion that you can see over here, the top portion, can you see this top portion?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Your voice is
Stigma.
not coming.
Now, others can hear.
Ma'am coming only. Yes, ma'am. I can hear.
That's what I said. Otherwise, all of you would have complained. Can you
Hello,
do me a
ma'am.
favor? Yes, you
Your
leave
voice
and
is
join
not
again.
coming.
You leave and join again. You leave the lecture and join again. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Leave the class and join again.
Ma'am,
Yes,
he
Will you
ma'am.
has
able
He
to
has
hear?
left.
left.
Okay, he left, right. Thank you. So this one is stigma. You saw? Now we come to second one. The long tube-like structure is the style. We'll go one by one. Can you see the style better? Hello? Can you see the style? Hello? Can you hear me? Boys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So stigma style over. Now we come to the swollen portion, which is called as ovary. What it is? What it is? Hello?
Yes,
What is it,
ma'am.
beta? It is ovary, right? And the
Yes.
fourth one is, you can see the small, small dot dot structures. These are ovule. Inside the ovary, we get ovule. Is this much clear regarding the parts of the
Yes.
stamen and the carpel? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yes, please begin.
Ma'am, I read.
Yes, yes, beta, read. Now, can you hear me properly, beta? The one who was complaining?
Yes.
No, can you hear me properly? Okay, read
Yes.
now.
The sexual reproduction is the formation of new plants through the fusion of male and female gametes.
Gametes, gametes.
Plants. Flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. Complete or vexual flowers contain
Bisexual. Read
and
properly.
contains
Bisexual.
male and female reproductive cells have all four parts: sepals, petals, stems, stamens, pistils, incomplete or unsexual.
Unisexual. Say unisexual.
Female reproductive cells have only three parts: sepals, petals, and stamens. All
So again, it's sort of a repetition. So sexual reproduction that we get new plants when male and female gametes fuses. Who does it? Flowering plants. So we know that flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. What are the types of flowers? There are two types of flowers. One is bisexual flowers, which otherwise called as complete, and unisexual flowers, which is called one sex, and it is called incomplete. Obviously, in bisexual flowers, as the name suggests, we have got both male and female reproductive cells, and they are consisting of sepals, that's green colored, petals, that's beautifully colored, stamens, you know, the male, and the pistils, you've got the female. Examples: hibiscus and citrus. Citrus are lemon. Next one is incomplete or unisexual flowers, that means it either has one of it, either one male or female. Obviously, as it's unisexual, it will have only three parts. Sepals, petals remains common. It has either stamen or pistils. You get in papaya and corn. Any problem? Any problem, beta?
No.
Understood
ma'am,
the
now I
bisexual?
read.
Huh. Yes, you can read better. Now you know what is bisexual
Reproductive,
flower? Yes.
reproductive organ flower.
Huh. So we know the reproductive organ of a plant body is flower. This is the flower. Can you see this flower better?
Yeah.
Yes. So these structures that you can see, these are all stamen. What are these, beta? Hello, stamen. So it has got a filament and the anther, right? All these are anther. So these are male. Now we'll come to female. Can you see this round structure at the bottom? And on top you got this. Can you see this? This is the female reproductive organ. Yes, read better. They're usually bisexual or hermaphrodite. Now, what is the other name of bisexual? Hermaphrodite. It's a new word for you, but you will learn. So, bisexual is also called as hermaphrodite. Sometimes they are unisexual. That means either male or female reproductive organ will have. Now, what is the meaning of hermaphrodite? It has got both sexes. Bisexual. Other name is bisexual. You can see over here, these are the male parts. This is male part, this is male part, this one is male part, this one is male part. Where is the female part, beta? Male part is this one. This one is female part. This portion is female part. I hope you have understood this much. How does it look like? It's highly magnified. So things are quite clear to you now.
Yes.
Okay. Ask the host to close the mic bit. I think from the host you're getting the disturbance. You can give the message to the host to put up the mic. Now over here, look over here. Look over here.
What is this?
See, this one is a flower, beautiful flower. So this is female. And the males are, can you see this? These are males. See, these are all males. All these are males.
Yes.
Got it? This, all are males.
Yes.
Now we see male flower. Can you see this male flower? Things, line lengths you can see. These are all stamens. And look at
Yes.
this. Because female flower will only give fruits, remember that. So this is the swollen part is a fruit. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The structure of a flower. What is this green color structure, beta? This is called, you take a rose and observe or whatever I taught you today. Okay? Take a rose or take any flower and observe today. This is called sepal. What it is called,
Okay,
beta?
ma'am.
Green color